Good morning, student. I am Manish Pandey from LPM Public School. Today I am going to teach you second part of the lesson article from class 7th. Okay. So yesterday we just went through how to use articles and how many articles are there in definite article a and definite article the. So now we are learning to use definite article. So yesterday I told you something about definite article, and next part I will tell you today. Okay, where we should use the. So we use the before phrases with words like first, last, only, next, following, and previous. For example, she is sitting in the last row. Actually, last. So word last preceded by the. Okay. So this is actually the last row. This is a phrase. Okay. So phrase will begin with the. Okay. We use the before ordinals. For example, actually, what is ordinals? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This is called actually ordinal. So before ordinals, we use the. Our examinations start on the third. So look at this example. Third is ordinals. So before third, we used the. Okay. We use the when we speak of the population of a nation. Okay. The Japanese, actually the Japanese is working here as an adjective. Okay, so before adjective we can use the Japanese are warm-hearted people. Okay, so now we use the before the names of trains. Okay, the Rajdhani Express, the Shatabdi Express, the Titanic, the Rafale. Okay, and names of planes also. The Rafale is the name of planes. So before trains name and before planes name we can use the. Okay, we use before the names of well-known buildings and institutions. Okay, for example, the Parliament House. Actually, Parliament House is a well-known building. The Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. Okay, the Akshardham Temple. All these monuments or buildings preceded with the. Okay, we use the with the names of countries if the name contains a common noun. For example, the United States of America. Actually, America is a proper noun, but United States of America is showing that United States of America is a union of some states. So before United States we will use the United Kingdoms. Okay, states and kingdom. So actually the United Kingdom is a union of states and kingdom. So that is why we are using the. Otherwise name of country is a proper noun. Okay, but United is added here. So that is why we are using the. Okay, we use the before the names of newspapers and magazines. Okay, the India Today, the Hindustan Times. Okay, the Dainik Jagran, the Aaj. So nomenclature names preceded by the. Okay, we use with adjectives when those adjectives are used as noun. For example, we should help the poor. Actually, poor. Okay, poor people. Okay, so here poor is working as a noun. So as a common noun. So we can use the before adjectives in the case when they are working as a noun. Okay, we use with the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges and desert. For example, okay, the Ganges, the Sahara Desert. This is the name of desert. This is the name of river. The Arabian Sea. Okay, the Himalayas. This is a mountain range. Okay, the Indian Ocean. Okay, so before the name of rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, we can use the, okay, we use the before points of the compass that are used at geographical area. For example, the Middle East, okay, the Middle East, the West, okay, all the directions will be preceded by the. We use the before points on the globe. For example, the equator, okay, on the globes some points are given there, so before points name we will use the South Pole, okay, we will use the before South Pole. We use the with the names of holy books, okay, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Mahabharata. So, okay, holy books name will be preceded by the. We use the with the names of whole families, okay, the Guptas, the Banerjees. Actually, this word Banerjee represents the whole family. So we will use the omission of articles. Actually, in some case, we should not use any articles before nouns. Okay. So here are some points given where we should not use articles before expression like last night, last week, okay, last year, next week, next month. Okay, when last night, last week, last year, last month are used in a sentence, so there we should not use the. Before proper noun, I am going to Australia, I am going to the Australia will be wrong. Okay, before name of any country, before name of any city, we should not use the. Have you spoken to Hima? Before name of any person, because Hima is a proper noun. So before name of any person, before proper noun, okay, we should not use the. In one condition we can use the before proper noun when the proper noun is working as a common noun in a sentence, okay, then we can use the. Before names of languages, for example, they speak German, they speak the German will be wrong. Okay, if we write the German here, it means citizen of German. So if we are talking about languages, so we should not use the before language name. Okay, before plural countable nouns that refer to the entire class. For example, I do not like bananas. This is plural and it is and this word refers to the entire class. Okay. Before material nouns like gold, silver, paper and water. For example, actually the gold will be wrong. Okay, so gold is an expensive metal. So the gold will be wrong. Before abstract noun, okay, when used in a general way. When used in a general way before abstract noun, we should not use the. Honesty is a virtue. The honesty is a virtue will be wrong. Okay, so before proper noun and abstract noun and material noun, we should not use the. Okay, before the names of games and sports. Okay, golf is gaining in popularity in India of late. So the golf will be wrong. Okay, Rakesh loves playing hockey. So Rakesh loves playing hockey. Hockey will not be preceded by the. Okay, we should not use any article before names of games and sports. Before the names of meals. Okay, I ate breakfast, I ate dinner, I ate lunch quite late today. So before names of meals, the will be omitted. Use of article will be omitted. Before expressions such as all day, all night, by air, by sea. Okay, for example, the contingent for the Asian Games will travel by air. So we will not use any article before or after by. Okay. So let me tell you, in certain cases, there is a need to repeat an article to make the meaning clear. Look at these sentences carefully. The trustee and the secretary arrived. So before trustee, the is used because it means the trustee and secretary is a one person. Okay, the trustee and secretary is a one person. They are not different. They are not different person. Okay, they are same. Now look at this sentence. The trustee and the secretary arrived. It means the trustee and secretary. It means two persons arrived. They both are different. Okay, one person is trustee and one person is secretary. That is why the is used before two nouns. Okay. Now we will do exercise. Exercise number A. Insert, omit or change article where necessary. Okay. So read out the sentences and make necessary changes. If we have to insert or omit or change articles, we have to do. Now Chinese is not, A is written but A is wrong. Chinese is not an easy language. Okay, an is correct article. Okay, moon is shining in the sky. So before sky we should use the. Okay, so that is why I used the. Don't play the fool. Okay, so don't play the fool. So before fool we should use the. There is A, actually A is written here but A is wrong. This is the best of the lot. Actually best is a superlative degree. So, and as we know, superlative degree, before superlative degree the should be used. Okay, the kindness, actually kindness is abstract noun. So but this kindness is working here as a common noun. So that is why the kindness that he showed was truly touching. Okay, so that is why we use the here. The privileged of community, of the community. Okay, because we are talking about the particular community, the privileged of community should help poor. Okay, that is why this word is preceded by the. I met an Australian, because this is, we are talking about one Australian, so that is why an we should use, and A is a vowel. Okay, it is making vowel sound. I met an Australian at a university. Actually U is a vowel but it is making consonant sound. That is why an is not a correct article to be used here. So A is correct article. In the Germany, actually Germany is a proper noun, so the should be omitted from here. Okay, only in Germany. He thinks he is a Tagore. A Tagore, because this is not definite, so that is why the should not be used here in A. My father admires the truth and honesty in man. So this is correct sentence, need not any changes. I play football, actually the should be omitted from here. I play football. Okay, the should not be used here. I play football. We enjoyed the meal, actually we enjoyed the meal. This is not the name of meal. Okay, so the we can use the before meal. Salman is a batter. Okay, is a batter, so A should be used before batter. Salman is a better swimmer than a golfer. Okay, Salman is a better swimmer, he is not a better golfer. Okay, so this is why A should be used in both the places. Now exercise number C. Correct these sentences if necessary. Okay, so European, again E is a vowel sound but it is making consonant sound. E is a vowel but it is making consonant sound. European, U is a consonant, that is why we should use A. It was a European. Okay, problem. Okay, Balu should contact the local police now. So this is no There is no any problem with this sentence. This is correct. This is okay. We were working on it all the day. Okay. So we were working on it. Or the should be omitted from here. Okay. The should not be used here. All day is correct. A human being has needs. So this is also correct. Need not any changes. Seamless is reading an old thriller. Okay, old. O is vowel and it is making vowel sound also. So an. The police dispersed the protesters. This is correct. I am going to the South Africa is wrong. The should not be used. The is omitted from here. Okay. I am going to South Africa. David is now drinking the cup of coffee she gave him. Okay, this is correct. Okay. And need not any changes. United States of America. Actually, again, as I told you earlier, United States of Union of some states. So the should be used. The United States of America. Okay. I don't read books. The should not be used because before verb and object the should not be used. I don't read books. Okay. So in this way we solved exercise number C again. Now exercise number D, and this is really challenging work for all of you, and you have to be very careful about yourself. And while you are going to solve this exercise, what we have to do, there is an article missing in each line. Marks the place where the article should be inserted and write it down in the space provided. Okay, we have to mark where the article should be inserted. Okay, and write it down in the space provided. So space is provided here at the right side of the paragraph, right side of the exercise. We have to fill there. Okay, now we have to read. Tunal and I were playing in a sand pit. Actually, sand is a material noun, but sand pit is a common noun. So before sand pit we will use a. Okay. Now in next, we were building sand castle. So a sand castle. Okay. Before sand castle we will use a. Now in third line, and bits of grass, we left some space in the middle. Okay, the middle, because this is definite. We know where we have to leave space. So in the should be used here. Okay. In order to pour in a, okay, in a bucket. Before bucket we will use a. Okay, and bucket of sand. I decided to go to the beach because we know this is we know this beach. Okay, so the should be definite article should be used here. Okay, now in next sentence, he was a designer in our group. He was a designer. Actually, designer, this is we are talking about particular designer and we know it, we know him, so the should be used here. Okay, a model of a unicorn. Actually, a model of a unicorn. Actually, unicorn is begin with U and that is vowel, but it is making consonant sign. So before unicorn we should use a. Okay, it became centerpiece that year. It became the. Okay, the should be used here. It became the. They could destroy our artwork in a jiffy. Okay, so before jiffy we should use a. Our friends who were in the vicinity. Okay, in the vicinity. Before vicinity we should use the, because this is definite and we know it. So before definite things we should use the, and before indefinite things we should use a. Okay, Now foundation. Before foundation we should use the foundation of our grand. Okay. Then Donald rose. He left our he left sorry he let out a loud scream. He let out a loud scream. Now before loud scream we should use a. Okay. Now next, the dogs ran as fast. Actually the dogs, before dogs, actually we know they are definite and we know them very well. So the dogs. Okay. And in next, before moment we will use the moment of crisis. Okay, because this is definite and we know it. Next, that hell hath no free as an artist scorned. Actually before artist we will use an, because an artist is a vowel and is making vowel sound also, and but this is indefinite, so that is why we used an here. So my dear students, I tried my best to make you understand all this chapter and exercises of this chapter. So I hope you could understand it. Thank you very much.